To De La Cruz family, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! The blessings we share are gifts addressed to the heart that arrive wrapped in memories and smiles every year at Christmas. Dear Ate Coach Lilibeth, Kuya Coach Roger, and family, so thankful to the giver again for the beautiful gift of His goodness in you. Hope your Christmas is blessed and wonderful. Wishing everyone a Happy New Year. Cheers, joy, and family. We have shared together the blessings of God. Philippians chapter 1 verse 7. Thank you, Joy and family. Let's open, Luna. Let's open. Let's open, Luna. Ganda! Ito lang yung plants natin. Ceramic planters, bamboo. With bamboo stands. Si Luna excited. Excited si Luna. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Joy. Thank you. Buksan natin? Sige.